Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through a complete guide on how a payout on Topstep is the process of withdrawing your trading profits from your funded account to your personal bank account. This involves submitting a request to Topstep which reviews and processes the payout based on the methods you choose. Here's a quick overview of payout process and policies. Payouts are processed daily, and once requested, it takes 1 to 3 business days for Topstep to approve your request. If everything is correct, you will receive your funds within 10 business days. You need to provide accurate ACH, wire, or SWIFT info and complete KYC documents to avoid delays. Only one Adobe banking form is required unless your banking info changes or your ID expires. Some non-US banks might request a verification letter, but Topstep only provides as express funded account agreement for this purpose. ACH and wires payouts on the new Topstep dashboard have a $20 processing fee, which will be deducted from your payout amount. Now, how you can request a payout on Topstep? First, log in the Topstep app, then navigate to the payout request form. Make sure you use the same email address linked to your Topstep account, as mismatched emails can delay your request. Complete the form with your payment information and attach the required KYC documents. Once submitted, Topstep will review your request within 1 to 3 business days. If approved, your funds should arrive within 10 business days, depending on your chosen method. If your bank requires a verification letter, provide them with your express funded account agreement. Here are a few things to keep in mind to avoid delays. Make sure the email you enter matches your Topstep account. You only need to submit one Adobe banking form unless your details changes. And remember that ACH and wire payouts have a $20 processing fee, so plan accordingly. And that's it. Now you know how to request a payout on Topstep. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trading tips and tricks.